Welcome to raigurkul.com. In this video, we'll discuss about how we can add new issue types in Jira Cloud versions. Whenever you're working in any projects, it's always required to add issue types. Reason behind it, Jira is just providing few of the issue types by default. But if you want to add a new issue types other than this, definitely you need to have the modifications required. I will show you how we can create new issue types and tag with your screen or schemas. So here, if you can see story, task, bug, epic, these are the by default issue types are available into my instance. But if you want to modify or may add any other issue types, definitely you have to do it from administration. So we'll show you step-by-step process how we can do it. If you want to learn more about Jira API and Jira third-party applications, feel free to refer from descriptions. I've already included the URL in description so that it will be easy for you to refer. Now, to start with this, you need to have admin permissions. Without that, you won't be able to do it. Here, once you are with admin permissions, click on issues, and from here you can see issue types. Here you can see these are the issue types are available. I don't have features listed in this sections, so I will create add issue types feature. Here there are two types. Either we can add standard issue types that is label 0 or under subtask. So when we are selecting this options, issue types which I have created will be added similar like subtask. So I will show you both the options. So here feature is level 0, which is listed under create section itself. So here I've created feature, and next one, let me create it F2 just as a sample perspective, or maybe I will add task under subtask issue types. Task is already there. That's the reason it's showing an error. Let me add it task 1. Now we have two issue types added successfully, task 1 and feature. As of now, we have not allocated anywhere, associated anywhere. That's the reason it will be as an individual. Allocate this, simply navigate the issue type schemes. From here, you can see these are the issue types available. Let's consider I wanted to allocate under this project ID. So first search for ID project. This is my ID project, Scrum type schemes. Associate this, click on edit. Here I'm having feature listed and task 1. Both the options are available. Click on save and this will be added successfully. Even if you want, we can associate with other projects. So this is my Ibrahim demo. Click on associate. This will be associated with Ibrahim project itself. I can also allocate some other projects, but as of now, I just wanted to keep it simple. Now, to verify it, let's click on create, and here we will have the options feature available. Now, to see the second options which we have created, that is -1 under subtask, let's create some story. Add to verify task 1. I'm just creating just to verify task 1. Hi, click on create and this will be created successfully. I just wanted to have a look on view issues. Here I am having create task available. Subtask. Under this, you can see task is also listed. So that's the difference. If we are selecting -1, it will be added under subtask, that is child issue types. Or if we are selecting just 0, which will be available under directly into issue types itself. So this is the difference between 0 and -1. And whenever you are creating, make sure to associate with the screens. Otherwise, it won't be available. If we are not associating with other screens, this won't be visible in my project. Let me give you example here. So when I'm selecting this project, not this one, maybe this one, click on create And here you can see this feature is not listed because I associated the issue types within my particular projects. If I want at any point of time, I will be able to remove it. So whichever screen you will associate, only that screen is visible with this data. Otherwise, it won't be available. That's all for today. Let's recap it. We have started with the issue type creations, created feature as well as task one, that is -1 and 0 label. And once we are done, we are associating with the screen schemas. So once we have associated with the screen schema, this will be added individually. So that's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.